Whether you just unbox a brand new iPhone or you've had yours for years, there are 5 settings you need to turn off right now. Leaving these on essentially hands over your personal data to advertisers and absolutely destroys your daily battery life. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to lock down your privacy and double your battery efficiency in just a few clicks. Make sure you stick around for the email setting at the end because it's the biggest battery killer of them all. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. We're going to spend this entire video right inside your settings app. Let's scroll down to the biggest culprit. Privacy and security. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Analytics and Improvements. You might see all these toggled on. I highly recommend disabling every single one. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics, Share iCloud Analytics, and Improve Siri. These are just detailed reports about your personal usage being beamed directly to Apple. If you want your iPhone usage to stay private to you, turn these off. While we're locking down Apple's access, let's stop them from selling your data to advertisers. Go back one screen and tap on Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads. You already get advertised to enough by Google and Facebook. There's absolutely no reason to let Apple track your browsing history and app usage just to serve you more targeted ads. Next, let's go back to the top of the privacy security menu and tap on location services. It makes zero sense for apps like Instagram to track your location 24/7. Go through this list and switch anything you don't need to never or while using. But here's the real secret. Scroll to the very bottom and tap System Services. Turn off things like routing and traffic and improve maps. Then tap on Significant Locations. This feature literally tracks and logs everywhere you frequently go. Turn this completely off and make sure you hit Clear History to wipe out the old records. Now, turning off location services stops apps from tracking your physical GPS, but it doesn't solve a much more complex problem: your network data. Even with location tracking turned off, your phone is constantly broadcasting your IP address, your internet traffic, and your private data to the internet service provider. Or worse, to hackers if you ever connect to public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or airport. You can't fix this in Apple settings, which is why I use NordVPN. Instead of digging through complicated network configurations, I just open NordVPN app and tap Secure My Connection. And instantly my IP address is masked and all my data is encrypted with military grade security. It runs perfectly in the background so no one, not even your internet service provider, not advertisers, not hackers, can see what you're doing. I put a special link in the description that gets you an exclusive discount on NordVPN so you can lock down your network privacy in one click. Speaking of browsing privately, let's lock down Safari. Go back to your main settings page. Scroll down to Apps. And tap on Safari. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Make sure Prevent Cross-Site Tracking is turned on. Have you ever searched for a product on Google and suddenly it's haunting your Facebook feed? That happens because of cookies following you from site to site. Turning this on stops that dead in its tracks. Also, make sure Fraudulent Website Warning is toggled on to protect you from sketchy links. Alright, your privacy is officially locked down. Now let's fix your battery drain. Go back to your settings. Tap on General. And then Background App Refresh. This is a massive battery killer. If you leave this on, every single app on your phone is constantly running in the background, downloading data and refreshing feeds while your phone is just sitting in your pocket. I recommend tapping the top menu and turning this completely off. Don't worry, your apps will still work normally when you open them. They just won't be secretly draining your battery when you aren't looking. Finally, let's look at the ultimate battery drainer I promised you. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Apps and scroll down to Mail. Tap on Accounts and then tap Fetch New Data. If you have push turned on at the top, your phone is constantly aggressively checking the server for new emails from Gmail or Yahoo every single second. This absolutely destroys your battery life. Turn push off. Then scroll down and set your fetch schedule to manual. Now your phone will only fetch new emails when you actually open the mail app. It is a massive battery saver. Doing these exact steps will completely change how your iPhone performs and keep your data strictly yours. If this video helped you out, hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments which settings surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.